want to hide links on Roblox profile, then here's how you can do it. Start by heading over to your application Roblox. Make sure that you are using the updated version. Enter your login credentials and make sure that you are logged into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, now what you want to do is click on More at the bottom right corner of the screen. Head over to Profile. Tap on Edit Profile at the bottom. So in the section of About, if you have added any of the link to your profile and you want to hide it from your friends or other people, but you can see that there is no any direct option in order to hide it. If you really want to hide it, then what you want to do is you simply have to remove the link that you have added. Delete the link and then click on Save. After that, you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If it helped you, give it a like and please check out our next tutorial. Thank you.